How do I get this thing out? I guess I'll just use my own. Okay, where is my own? I need to clean this. There, got it. Okay, that's stupid. Also, yeah, I should want to test how the backlight looks. Damn, that is freaking bright. Oh my god. Holy freaking balls. Well, I'm gonna turn that off and... Oh. Okay, okay. I'm seeing it. Let's put the rest of these in. I'm getting bent. Ooh. I'm gonna look this up before I do anything. Okay, just a pair of pliers. That's... I want to do this as freaking carefully as possible because I will oh wait, no, I could survive. I have some extras. This is a set of 90. And this has like 87 keys, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh, I don't like that. This doesn't focus, doesn't it? Ah, frick. This doesn't focus, dude. What the hell? Just have to explain it. The key switch is pretty much bent over, like 80 degrees, 180 degrees. Okay, I got that one back, but I'm not gonna use it. I really hope I'm not doing anything wrong. I really hope I'm not. But the ones I've put in so far are working. Build. Okay. I got those in with an extra 3 left over. But before we do that, I want to make sure every single key works. So I don't know how to do that, but I'm just going to go on Google Docs or Notepad or whatever. Just going to steal them from my old keyboard here. I'm just going to give, once I'm done with this, I'm going to give it to my younger brother who wants like a new keyboard. He just has to put on his own switches. Not switches, own keycaps. Okay, got it working. Now let's plug it in. Damn, that's really not bad. Okay, I have to do a typing test now. Okay, this is really nice, man. I like this a lot. Okay, now you can get to see it. It's not the best quality, it's just on my iPad and whatnot, but it doesn't, like, the colors don't bleed so much from this camera. But, yeah, listen to it. Yeah. It does. It just looks and sounds amazing. I love it. Come here and